Hi, my name is Kate. Thank you for your interest, and I wish you good vision. Winlog Evo offers developers an innovative remote maintenance tool. Secure Bridge allows the developer to connect and operate remotely on the customer's local machine, using a series of TCP protocol services, such as RDP, HTTP, FTP, VNC, PLC tunnel. In this way it is possible to open remote desktop sessions, modify web pages, and remote programming of devices as PLC, instrumentation, drives, without having a direct connection as fixed IP, DNS, or other. Secure Bridge does not require the modification of corporate firewalls, or a particular configuration of the virtual server. SCADA system offers those customers who make sporadic use of remote maintenance, the Secure Bridge service for free. For those customers who need a continuous and professional remote maintenance service, SCADA system offers annual payment contracts. So, Secure Bridge actually connects your development station with one of the runtimes of the installed systems. It is necessary to know that, on the customer's PC, where your application associated with a runtime resides, the system automatically makes available the information necessary for the connection, the key ID, and the password. When Secure Bridge is started on the customer's PC, equipped with a runtime license, the system shows this information, which we will call endpoint. Now, let's see how to operate on your development PC, a station from which you can connect to the PCs of the systems. Let's start Secure Bridge now. Let's add an endpoint, that is a connection to a customer's local machine, specifying its name, location, and serial number of the runtime license. Key ID. The key ID and password are those automatically generated by the system, where your application resides by the customer, as seen previously. Now let's add the tunnels we intend to use. In our case VNC, Microsoft Remote Desktop, and a direct connection to a WAGO PLC. It is necessary to define the IP address on the remote station and the TCP port of the service. Some ports are predefined. In the case of the WAGO PLC, we take advantage of the pass-through function and directly enter the IP address of the device. We are now ready to connect to our services. By minimizing Secure Bridge, the service ends up in the Windows tray. By pressing the right mouse button on the Secure Bridge icon in the tray, we can access the options and any logs. Let's install and run a VNC client, in our case Tight VNC client. On the local machine, we have installed the server equivalent. Let's connect to the local host address, and use the credentials defined on the server. This way, we will be able to take control of the customer's local machine. In the same way, we can use Microsoft's remote desktop connection, taking advantage of the RDP tunnel created on Secure Bridge. Let's take advantage of Secure Bridge's pass-through function to connect to the remote PLC. We will connect to a WAGO PLC, using its codesys programming interface, using the open tunnel on Secure Bridge. Let's run codesys. Let's check the communication parameters, and verify that the communication address is localhost, and TCP port 2455, as specified in the tunnel on Secure Bridge. We are now connected, and we can see the status of the PLC, and change its programming. Thanks for your attention. For more information, I invite you to browse our site, or send us an email. See you at the next tutorials. Have a nice day.